So good evening to one and all. So today in this video we will be discussing about Morpen Laboratories share. So in the previous video we have discussed about Marksans Pharma Limited. So we have discussed all the fundamentals as well as the technicals of the stock. We have seen all the strengths and opportunities that are available in Marksans Pharma. So in this video we will discuss about Morpen Laboratories. We'll see all the technicals as well as the fundamentals. Okay, we will try to analyze what is the weaknesses which are available in this share currently and what are the opportunities available in the future. Okay, so firstly, let me show you about the Marksans Pharma. So the current price is around 25.50, and if we see the market cap, it is around 1100 crores. Okay, so if we see the dividend yield, it's giving almost zero dividend yield, and if we see the PE, it is trading around we can say 34, which is high as compared to the industry P. So this point you need to keep in mind, that whenever you're investing in any particular stock, first we need to see whether we are investing at a right price or not. So it's currently high, but one thing I want to say about this stock is that it's an operator stock. Okay, so operator stock are those stocks which don't totally depend upon PE. Okay, so it depends upon the operator. So when he or she wishes to rise the price of the stock, they enter and they start. Okay, this we can say that they start increasing the price of the stocks. You can observe there are two shares similar to this, like Morpen and Nectar Life Sciences. It's another share. Both of these shares, they are totally related. So when this share rises, even that share rises. But when we see Marksans and those all shares, they don't rise. Okay, they are not operator stocks. Okay, so these are the shares which operator enters and totally manipulates the share. So because of this, we need to wait patiently if you are investing for long term. Okay, so if we see, one bad thing about this is that in 20 years the returns is almost flat. 20 years back also this share was at 25 rupees. So that one thing is negative about this stock, but in short term you can encash, okay, more from this stock. So PE is very not very, but a little bit high as compared to the sector PE. Okay, and if we see the delivery is around 30.23, and apart from that everything is okay. Now let us see the strengths as well as the weaknesses and opportunities of the share. So okay, let us first see the shareholding of this. So if we see the shareholding, we see that the promoters are having around 34.54, means compared to previous years the shareholding is kept flat around 34.54. Pledging is zero. That's a very good thing. Next, FII's percent is also flat and almost decreased. We can say that it's decreased slightly and it's very less. Okay, 0.74. After that, if we see the mutual fund holding is zero. Okay, that's also the point to be noted. After the DI's holding is 18.4. So DI's holding is increasing in this share. Okay, DI's holding is increasing year wise. Okay, quarter on quarter it's increasing. Okay, so let us see the strengths of this share. So if we see the strengths, we see that recent is saying that MACD crossover above the signal line. So it's saying that some bullish momentum may be possible. So net profit is increasing, quarterly net profit is increasing. So book value per share is improving. So pledging is zero, and stock gained almost 20% in 1 month. So since it has gained 20% in 1 month, also PE is very high. So this share started correcting. Okay, little bit. You know that in previous trading sessions it fell almost 10% consecutively. So this may be the reason, because of high PE. You can see that around 35 it's trading. Okay, so no weaknesses for the stock. If we see the opportunities, we find that highest recovery from 52 and RSI indicating price strength. Okay, so and delivery percentage compared to previous day, month, a strong volume. So with the volume is very important. We see this stock, we see volume is very high. Okay, so these are the basic opportunities for this share. So apart from that, if we see the Morpen Okay, products, it's almost into we say that it creates thermometers, and it creates digital as well as normal Bernal. It creates some stethoscopes, weight machines, so many items. Let me show you on the screenshot also. See, so these are all the overall Morpen products you can see related to acidity, related to itch guard. If you see itch guard, this related to this company. So you can see the overall products that are being made by Morpen Laboratories. But most common are the thermometers, mostly the digital thermometers, the masks also, they're preparing the masks also, and even the Bernal is also very famous. Okay, these are the quite few common. Okay, so if you see in charts, so now comes the most important thing that I want to say is that we need to focus on the charts before entering. So if we see the, let me show you first the 1 month chart. So 1 month chart, if we see, so almost it has entered the overbought region. So almost so many people have bought at that particular level. So I have drawn one trend line here around 27 rupees. I have drawn one trend line, and it has broke the trend line in the past few trading sessions, and it has reached this level. Okay, so even the money flow index is showing that it is almost overbought, and it may correct a little bit, not huge correction, but little correction is possible, it is suggesting. So we need to watch out for that. So possible levels, maybe we can buy at this level. It may be let me draw it neatly. So it may be around 22 and 23. It may come to those levels once again. Maybe in this week it may correct to that level. So 21, 22, 23. So those may be the levels. So similarly, if we see on the 1 day chart, we see that it's also in this region also showing oversold, and it needs some correction. Okay, and if we see here, the level may be this one. Okay, around 24. So if it obeys this support around 24 and 23 level, then it may shoot up and it may go to this level, that is 35 rupees. It may be touching. So after that, again we may see a possible correction. So any people who are doing positional or swing trade, so this stock is suitable for them for positional swing trade, because operators do positional or swing trade regularly. So this may be useful for them. So apart from that, you can see it's in the overbought region. Okay, from the money flow index. Okay, so this is all about Morpen Laboratories. So people who all are interested in investing this stock, so first thing, they need to see that P is little bit high, so they need to see that. Secondly, they need to focus on the levels of 23, 22, 21 levels. So if it comes there, so they can add quantity for positional trading. Okay, for long term we require patience, little bit patience, because it's operator stock and it continuously moves 19% up, 9% down. So much fluctuations will be there. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.